Brother, I'm here in the river. If you look at the dump truck inside inside this, you see the way. Oh, inside. Get the wasan. Oh, so many people here, my friend. You look at this, no? Wasan. I'm here to inside this. Oh, you look at my friend. The people here. That is the work of the people here to get income. Yun ako iba niya. Ako ay isa sa Amerikano, kumigo ba? Amerikano ba, kumigo? Ako iba sa messenger ba? Kita na ako naman ang sitwasyon sa mga tao ni. This is the situation of the people here, my friend, oh. If you look up, my friend, oh. This is the way, my friend. I get inside it. Inside this, my friend, oh. The truck here. If you look at the truck here, inside here is the way. The road, my friend. And go there, my friend, oh. Inside here, the truck. To get soil. Ibalas dito. So many soil, my friend. If you look at, this is the road to inside this area to get a soil, my friend, oh. If you see, tabya po. My friend, if you look, so many big stone around the road. Oh. Yeah, my friend, the road is rough road, off-road. Oh, you go out there, my friend. Hurry the way, this way, my friend. Oh. If you look at my friend, oh. If you look at my friend, the way, road way. Inside this, my friend. This is the situation of the people, my friend. So that the Filipino is hardworking, my friend. Oh, inside the truck because I buy to the wasan or soil here inside the river side. Look up, my friend. This is my friend, oh, Ray. My friend Ray, no. He get stone. Because if you look the situation of my people here, my friend, the work, oh, to get a money to get a stone or sand, and we sell to the hardware. That's why I'm here, my friend, inside this area. Yeah. If you see the way, my friend, Rodo, to go out this area, my friend, it's very big stone, my friend. That's why my engine is very low. That's why if I go out, my friend, the stone the big stone in the in the tire, my friend, to tunog my friend, to the tire way to the stone, big stone, my friend, to the engine is very so why that if I drive, my friend, to a zigzag, to what's the you see the road, to where is your go to do not the engine to my friend. That's my friend now. So this, my friend, if you watch this, my friend, bye bye, my friend.